Ladies and gentlemen, we get upset when Allah takes away certain things from us. When Allah takes away health from us, we get upset. When Allah takes away beautiful people from us, we get upset. When Allah takes away health from us, we get upset. These all are symbol. These are the just a message by Almighty God. Everything is temporary and everything will be taken away. Whatever you have taken from this planet, you have to return it back. You have to give it back. So Allah is just giving you indication. Allah is just giving you message by taking away beautiful people, by taking your wealth, your health, your near and dear. It's giving you message. Everything will be taken away and you will have to return towards Allah. So everything is temporary. You have to leave. Beautiful people, your health, your wealth, everything is just temporary. So once you know this, it will be easy to adjust yourself. Therefore, whenever Allah is taking away beautiful people, whenever Allah is taking your health, your wealth, your near dear, it's just indication. It's just a message that you are over here for temporary period. You're not here forever, because your teeth will be taken away, your body will be it will be weak with the passage of time. Your body is going to ill in future. You have to suffer in your future, because life is not easy. So whoever will keep his or her faith in Allah, and whoever will have faith, he will be blessed hereafter, because this life is just temporary.